Rolling. Okay, go. Be funny. Funny man.
Funny man.
Funny man.
Hey guys, welcome to CJ's first cooking show.
Off to a good start.
Off to a great start. My name is CJ. This is my show, and it's my first cooking show. I'm gonna show you guys a delicious tater tot breakfast hash. But before I do, be sure to like, subscribe. Also down below, you're gonna see that we have a link to go to our Teespring site where you can get a bunch of really cool shirts and swag and stickers and things like that. Also, real quick,
What?
E and I, before we got started, we were playing darts, and this little red guy right there in the center,
Whatever.
talk to E.
No.
Verify.
I don't
Verify.
believe it. Did it happen?
Yeah, it happened.
No.
It happened. So I'm gonna ring it and bring it.
Is that skill or luck?
Total skill.
Oh, do it again.
Obviously.
Give me some of your tots.
Oh, idiot.
Idiot.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first
So let's get started. Right here, guys, we've got some frozen tots. Now this is the best part about this recipe is the simplicity of this is frozen stuff.
So simple.
I asked Nate about this before we got cooking. He's like, I gotta be honest, I've never had that. So before we get going, on our 36-inch over here, I've got this preheating at medium. And I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down here. And
Scotia oil.
a Scotia oil. And this is gonna kind of be, this is not a Fast and Furious scenario. This is most certainly a take your time scenario.
Oh, look. Little.
Yellow. Different.
New print. Little. Yellow. Different.
Actually, gonna kind of toss them around a little bit. That way you get a bit of oil on everything.
Are you like thinking on the fly here? Have you actually made these before?
Why are you asking such silly questions?
Why are you asking questions about dead lawyers?
Why are you asking questions about dead lawyers?
Obviously, I've not made this before, but I've thought about it before, and Betty's done it,
Well,
and her sister did.
But his sister did.
While that's going, I've got some breakfast sausage. Now,
Sausage.
here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up. Gonna get that to medium. This is gonna go down right there as well, and then pretty much pause for the chopping up because it's really loud.
do chopping in 5 seconds. Ready? You want?
Go.
Get set. Go. Whew. Here you go. Here you go.
Gotta love the bliss of
Gonna break a sweat.
television magic. Speaking of sweat, dude, it is glorious out here right now.
It is. There's no sweat.
There's zero sweat. So
It's
guys,
winter in Florida. 60 degrees.
it is a beautiful
Day in the
thing.
neighborhood.
A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
Wait,
Won't you
wait.
be?
Where have you taken him? No.
My neighbor.
Hi, neighbor.
All right, guys. So what I've got here is some yellow onion. I love using yellow onion because it's delicious, and when it caramelizes, it gets the sweetness with it. It's just so yummy. We're gonna chop that up, and then I've got my bell pepper. Of course, with the bell pepper, it's a simple task. Chop off the top, chop off the bottom. Make your way down the side right there. Of course, finding that bell pepper canal,
Oh, brother.
which it's
not
the Panama. It's the Panama Canal.
A Panama.
A Panama.
A Panama.
Panama.
Not a Panama. Not a
Wait,
Panama.
Not a Panama. We're gonna get that bell pepper chopped up. Minced? Diced?
Diced.
We're gonna dice up the bell pepper. Then of course I've got some jalapeno. We're gonna toss that in after I get that chopped up. A little bit of heat to go with that sweet onion. Also I'm gonna set some aside for some garnish. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna do a rough chop with the jalapeno and leave some pretty little round ones for our garnish at the very end, but this is gonna go well with all of our other ingredients. Speaking of those ingredients, let's have a look at our sausage.
All right on. You got a lot of jalapeno seeds on your finger.
Well, oh, I sure do.
Not a finger!
No! Not a finger! All right, let's chop this up some more. So we are like 80 to 90% done here. I'm gonna add our onions, bell peppers, and jalapenos
Like it.
right in over here. We're gonna go ahead
This
and...
is actually a pro move. When you finish cooking your meat with your vegetables, it makes everything marry together a little more.
I like when I inadvertently or intentionally make pro moves without even
Don't sell
knowing.
yourself short. You're a great cook. Everyone knows it.
That's true. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil actually to this right over here, and let this start
How are those tots doing?
I'm about to toss them, bro.
Yeah,
Toss some tots.
Pauline, give me some of your tots.
No, go find your own.
All right, so this is what we're looking for. You're starting to see some of that golden. Right, there we go. Oh, dude, you know what I forgot?
What?
Dang it.
Idiot.
Freaking idiot.
Oh,
Yeah.
which one I thought you couldn't be any dumber. You go and
You hit your camera,
You knew
which
where I
made
was
you
going.
dumb.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber.
Woo! Get to our eggs, man.
apparently making room on the griddle.
Apparently
we need some eggs.
eggs.
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy.
See if I can do this apparently with one hand.
Oh, yes. Come on, keep the pro moves coming.
Here we
buddy.
go, pro guy.
Pro guy.
Whoa.
Come on,
Here
come
we
on,
go.
come on,
Here we
come
go.
on. Yeah. Oh, wah, wah, wah.
Dude. There you
Round
go.
two, round two. You got
Round
this.
two.
I believe in you, Peter.
Yeah, Peter.
There you are, Peter.
Let's go ahead and season those eggs real quick while they're in this current state. We're gonna do a little bit of pepper and
Don't.
salt.
Please, no, not like
I'm
this.
starting a revolution.
No.
The salt and pepper, the pepper and salt club.
Quit trying to make pepper and salt work. It's never gonna work.
It is always gonna work. That is so fetch.
There he is.
Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
Here's what we're gonna do at the moment.
Do you know?
I do know. I do. I think I know.
Where are you going?
I'm going right over here to my red
Okay.
enchilada sauce.
Dang.
Now, this is gonna be used as a post drizzle, but what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add
Pre-drizzle.
this. Yeah, actually,
A mid drizzle.
it's a mid-drizz. Let's come over here to our sausage
Mid-drizzle's on.
and our onions and peppers and jalapenos.
Okay.
We're gonna
A
do
little glaze.
a little glaze here,
I like that.
and
Am I staying here?
yeah, I'm gonna do some cheese as well.
Okay.
Here we go. 'cause
The
we're
glue.
The glue is gonna do its thing. I've got these little cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna throw them back here.
Oh,
We're gonna have, yeah, absolutely whole
Not-
right
not
here.
cut at all, all right.
Not cut at all. I kind of want to blister these up, give them some good color. Let's add a little bit of oil with them whole. Gonna do a bit of salt.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's toss
I'm
our,
interested to see how this actually goes on a plate.
well, I can't wait to show you.
Fine.
Dude, look at that right there. Oh. All right, let's give our eggs a quick flip. Because I don't like
Whoa.
There we go.
Okay. That one.
And these are gonna be done in about 30 seconds. So we're gonna ring it and bring it. We'll be back in 30 seconds to finish this up. Let's go ahead and pull off our eggs because these guys right here are done. I'm going to set this off to the side.
I like that.
We're just pulling these off because I don't want them to burn.
Dude, it's a
I don't want
good-looking
them
egg.
to be too overdone. Thank you, sir. Right back over here. Let's
It's
continue.
excellent.
Cut it out. Stop it.
You cut it out.
Here's what I got in my head.
Felt good, better about that one than the last one.
Oh, that's good because, you know, your last one sucked.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, you know what? You suck.
You know something? You suck.
Let's confirm. Oh yeah,
Crispy tots.
nice and toasty.
Come on, give me some of your tots.
No, I'm freaking starved. I didn't get to eat anything today.
We're gonna go right here.
Oh.
We're creating a little tot bed.
Oh, it's like a family style little platter.
Yes, it is.
You are taking a note from the
From the Betty?
Blackstone Betty.
Heck yeah, dude. In fact, Blackstone Betty is where I first saw
Tachos.
The
Are you gonna eat your tots?
No.
We're gonna do another layer of cheese. Don't want to do too much right here. This is just to get some cheese under here. All right, now let's get some of our sausage mixture. We're gonna go right over here on. I don't know that we're gonna have enough room for you know what?
Need a bigger boat.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Another round of cheese.
Dang, triple cheese.
Not in.
I'm staying here. You bringing the other
Yes,
egg?
I'm on the way.
I'm staying.
So we're gonna get some of our tomatoes here, and
Come on, do it toward the camera. Come on.
hey,
I just want to watch.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it toward the camera. What
Okay.
you want to see? This is what you're looking for.
Oh.
Oh,
Come on.
come on then.
Come on. Come on, little one. Is that what you meant for your ornaments? I mean, tomatoes look like?
I don't like to
Misfit?
think
Just
that
a
these are
minute.
misfits.
CJ, did you know?
that back in the day at Misfits shows, they tended to get pretty rowdy. You know, people jumping on stage, people dance slamming in audiences. This tended to make Danzig kind of irritated. Actually, if you listen to the Evil Live version of Horror Business, you can hear him threaten a fan in mid-song.
Wait, you just said dance? What'd you say, dance?
Dance slamming?
You mean moshing?
No, dance slamming's more like this. That thing.
Wow.
Moshing's like jumping around.
Annie, I need to get a better shot. Do that part again. I was totally just kidding. You don't have to.
Here we go. I'm gonna do another layer of cheese because I'm going to dome this and melt all this cheesy goodness here for just a second. So essentially, what we need is
30 seconds?
Let's just say 60 seconds or so.
You want to just do water and then dome it and then melt it and then serve it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure?
I think so. Ring it.
Because you just went through a wall.
You alright?
I think so.
Are you sure? Because you just went through a wall.
I've recovered from laughing after that brilliant comment, which means right behind me.
You complimenting.
Actually, it's a quote.
Complimenting me.
It's a quote. Let's see how we did.
Like Christmas morn.
All right, let's get this guy head back over now because it's feeling a little uneven in there. I'm gonna throw that jalapeno right there. That was just messing with my head. Now to wrap this up, I'm going to do a little last minute kind of saucing.
What have you done for me lately?
He watches over everything, so we sing joy. I'm really joyful that we have this awesome Hatch chili and cheddar to post dust with.
Come on.
This is going to ignite some flavors, and of course
Ignite.
the post dust.
I like that.
The post dust looks beautiful. There it is, boys. What do you got to say about that?
The old Prince of Post Dust making magic,
We
making
got-
Christmas dreams come true.
Yep. I'm basically Santa Claus with food.
Yep.
Let's get over here so you can kind of see what's happening all up under here.
Don't let those.
Oh.
Yep.
Listen. All right. Come over here.
Huh?
This is what happens when you let your friend talk you into doing stupid crap like you shouldn't be doing. Like, first it's overfilling your plate of breakfast.
Dang, it's really good.
Breakfast hash.
I'm so proud of you.
Next thing you're doing is you're
recipe.
spray painting the
It's
side
so
of a
good.
the
Great
moving
technique.
train and get
Great
your leg
flavor
run
balance.
over, and then you start hobbling
All the
around,
good
and everybody
stuff.
starts calling you peg leg. And it all comes back to that one time when Nate said, "Yeah, fill it up with more tater tots and more sausage. It's cool."
No. That tomato was a burst. It was a Christmas miracle.
Oh man.
Yeah, tots for the win.
Tomato. Let's get some of that.
Hello, guy.
Oh man.
A little bit of acidity from the sweetness of the tomato, I imagine, is money. I really do mean it.
Oh.
You make fun of me, but this is
amazing.
This is CJ level food, but fantastic combination of flavors.
Do the sausage
Yeah.
with the enchilada sauce and the cheese. Let me know down in the comments.
Yeah.
How many times has Nate steered me astray
What?
to turn my beautiful food that was going to be in my head into a mound of deliciousness? Basically, next thing, you've lost your leg, they call you peg leg, and our pets' heads are falling off!
Our pets' heads are falling off!
Yeah, I want to see what everyone else thinks about your previous shows, because this one was pretty good.
Well, then let's jump right into CJ's favorite comments of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to this part of the episode where I take screenshots from you, the viewers, and we read them out in the public.
Whew, if you write it.
We read it, and this
Them's
is
the rules.
Them's are the rules, and this is how that game is played. Sometimes they're nice, sometimes they're naughty, but in all fairness, that's kind of the occasion this
Yeah, that's what
time of
people-
year, right?
That just happens.
All right, so starting from the top in no particular order, Mr. Stuart Hightower.
Hightower's back.
Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are you? Okay, anyway, he's mean. He says, "Hey CJ, does that shirt come in a man's size?" It makes me laugh. I mean, you're a punk, but I'll ring it for you. Because 'tis the season to be jolly, or something like that. Oh, here's a nice one. This is actually really great. Brennan Williamson, who is a big fan. She's watched a lot.
Right on.
She says, "Are you selling copies of the custom Step Brothers portrait?
What?
Because we need one."
I don't know what you're talking about.
I have no idea what you're referring to.
I have no idea either.
Actually, I do.
What?
And I'm not going to sell it to you, but I am going to send it to you.
Oh, it fell over. I was going to reveal it.
This one's coming your way. All you have to do is hit me up on Instagram or Facebook, give me your address, and I'm shipping it to you. Merry Christmas, ring the bell!
Angel just got his wings.
Oh, this is a great one. This comes from Randy Bachmeyer. I think he told me how to...
It's Randy Watson. He good.
He really good.
He good.
He says, it's jalapeno. There's no P in it. However, there's usually pain in it. He's making reference to your jalapeno.
Yeah, jalapeno.
Statements. Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Whoa! That was an aggressive one.
It's an OCD bell.
This one comes from Jared Wells. Finally, an episode that reveals your secret identity.
Wait, which episode was that? What was your secret identity?
Well, I'm the king of pop. Love this one, CJ. Ring that big, beautiful bell of yours. Cheers!
All right.
Okay. All right. Okay. You know what? Because it is the season, I'm feeling festive. I want to focus on the more positive side of things.
Which, to be fair, there are way more positive ones.
There are, but the mean ones, they are really mean sometimes.
I know, it's too funny to ignore.
Exactly.
But we love all of you guys.
We do. So here we go. Let's do a little rapid fire.
Love fest.
Little love fest
Little
up
Merry
in here.
Christmas. Little
Here we
how
go.
are you?
This one comes from Michelle Weber. She says, excellent combination. Love this video. Thank you, Michelle. Will W3VMTF. Funniest video ever. Thanks, Will.
True.
William or Bill. Yeah. Shane Rogers says, this is the best channel on Tube.
Also truth.
The quotes are the best. Ring it and bring it.
Yeah.
We will in just a moment. Thank you, good sir, for stopping by. And here we go. This comes from Scott. Scott says, love your channel and the movie quotes. Don't change a thing.
Done.
Noted. Oh, Jeremy commented on the fishing episode, said, love both of these episodes.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Because they were awesome and hardly anyone watched them.
Nobody watched
Actually, right now, if you're watching this far, go back.
Stop and go back there and watch
fun.
those because they're amazing. And to wrap this up, this one comes from Debbie Gonzalez. She says, love the show. You guys are hilarious and the food looks amazing. Keep bringing and bringing. Don't change a thing. We listened. We heard. No change. Ringing it and bringing it. Thank you guys so much. It was good enough for Ethan to eat half of it while we were doing stuff. So it's obviously that is a winner. And definitely be sure to go check out Betty's show, Todd's show, Nate's show, Bruce's show.
Oh, yeah.
Destination Delicious.
Christy and Spencer are so great.
Dude, they're so awesome. We've got some really fun content coming up.
Them.
We should. Are they going to be around sometime
soon?
soon?
Let's rent an RV, drive across the country, just the two of us, and eat.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
You and I.